Hey everybody, back again for some more readings. Maybe I actually can kind of see the slight skiff there, but the sun is, or the moon, sorry, the moon is now out of the small skiff of clouds, but there is some still close to it. So as it's continued its circuit, not much of the construction paper is in the moonlight. So it's only about, let's step back a little, it's only about there that's in the moonlight. Okay, so all of this, sorry, that doesn't really help. Most of the far end of it is in the moonlight. So here we are at the far top right corner, or near right corner. 41.5, 40.6. As we've seen, this thing bounces around, but it's bouncing pretty consistently. And we go to the far side. Bouncing around. It's staying more at 40.6, whereas it's staying more at 41.5. Let's go to the far corner. Go to the far corner. Same. Getting the same bounce. Then at this corner, it's reading, wow, a lot cooler, and then bouncing back to 40.6. And this near side here, this will be partially covered. Back to the upper right corner. So, I mean, as it gets later, this moon is going to be traveling further away. I'm not really sure what time of day would be the most, where it would be at its closest relative to my position on the Earth. But we are getting not very dramatic results at all. Really results that are staying consistent now. Where is this? Come on. So here we are, the near corner, 41.1, 40.1, far corner, 39.2, 40.1. Well, which is it? 40.1. Far left, 39.2, 40.1, 39.1. So 39. So yeah, still about a 1 degree Fahrenheit difference. So that does support the theory, the geocentric theory, that the moon produces or emits its own light, or I guess both. However, I don't think that's extremely convincing. The accuracy of this thermometer is not that amazing. But what I will do is I'll do some research, and obviously not now or probably any time soon, but I'm gonna find the best day or season as to when the moon is closest to my location, so that we can get the most dramatic results. If the moon is producing its own light, and that light has a cooling effect, as we are witnessing about 1 degree Fahrenheit, if I could capture the moon full as well as nearer to me, based on my position on the Earth in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, the chilly north, then we could hopefully get more dramatic results to, further the spread. And also, I'll return this thermometer to a friend and probably buy, or at least temporarily buy, another thermometer that will give better, more accurate readings. So until then, it's about 1 degree Fahrenheit saying that the moon produces its own light and it's chilling. And I mean, it bounced around a lot, but you never really saw. And there you can actually see right now, there's some clouds just below the moon. So it's not in those clouds, but it's getting closer to the horizon. Oh, maybe it's slightly clouded. So that's affecting the readings as well, making them less dramatic, and the moonlight's being filtered out by the clouds in the atmosphere, the water in the atmosphere. These results aren't as dramatic as I'd like or was hoping for, but I do think they are conclusive. You can draw your own conclusions if you like, but it's really hard to argue that the moon is reflecting the sun's light if the light of it is actually having a cooling effect. The sun's light has a heating effect. We know this unquestionably, regardless of what you believe in. It's, just go out during the day, you can feel it. On a sunny day, that is. So those are our conclusions for this evening and our results. I'm gonna pack everything in because the clouds are coming up, and the results are probably were most dramatic about half an hour ago. And I'll try and find a time where the moon is closest and at its fullest to me, and try to get the most dramatic results and the most convincing results as possible. That is, if you're not convinced. Alright, God bless, and I hope you guys consider, that the Bible is cosmologically accurate as well as historically accurate, which is proven by archaeological evidence. Yeah, God bless. Have a happy Yom Kippur, I hope.